Hello everyone friends, welcome to the Valor channel. Today I'll show how to create a YouTube account. For this we'll go directly to the YouTube website. Here we go to YouTube, click on YouTube. There, now click the sign in button. Here click the create account button for your use. Enter your first and last name here. Click next. Select your date of birth and gender. Click next. Create an email address. Let's pick one that's available, yes, and create a password. Now click next. Then next you'll need to scan the QR code and finish registration on your phone. This has been Valor. Goodbye everyone.